Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX, guys. And if the car doesn't start, guys, let's say it cranks but doesn't start, we'll explain, guys, which fuse you need to check for the fuel pump. Now there is relays as well, and all that, guys, will be listed in the description of the video below, guys. We'll have links and all that, so make sure you check it out. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So let's go ahead, start on it, and show you where you can expect to find the fuel pump fuse now. So first you need to open the hood of your Lincoln MKX now, guys, and there are 3 fuses that we need to check. 3. So make sure you stay until the end, not just the beginning and stop watching, because, guys, there is something important that we'll share towards the end. Right here there is one clip that you need to push and then lift up. This fuse box, guys, you can disconnect the cover, okay, by twisting a little bit. Now on the back side of that fuse box cover, guys, you can find the fuse numbers printed, but it doesn't say what the fuses are for, so that's the downside, guys. The first fuse, guys, it's called fuel pump relay coil, guys, and this one will be number 9. Okay, some cars will have that, some will not all of them. So number 9, guys, okay, will be right here, 8, 9. Ours does not have this one. Okay, this could be one of them, depending on which model we have, which option package and all that stuff, what year you may have a fuse right here, guys. This one will be for fuel pump relay coil right here. So this one's missing. Now where is the main fuse now? Okay, and there, make sure you stay until the end, because there is one more. It's actually, guys, fuse number 68. Okay, 68, and this one, guys, is actually 15 amp fuse right here, 68 right there. So if you guys need replacement fuses, you can find the link in the description of the video below. That whole box, guys, it's super cheap, comes with a free fuse pull that you can just grab the old fuse, pull it out. Okay, and I can go ahead and replace it now with a new 15 amp fuse. Okay, right there. And something else, guys, okay, very important now, you have a diode, guys, for the fuel pump as well. And this one, guys, will be under number 19. Number 19, this is the diode right here. Now those are really hard to find, so we'll have, guys, in the description of the video the link where you can find it as well. So hopefully, guys, this will help you solve your problem. If the car still doesn't start, we'll have a video that explains what to check if the car cranks but doesn't start. Make sure you check it out on the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Please. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.